So today, this just came home for today, and Mom just brought it home, and I have no idea what's inside it, but it has my last name on it, so I'm pretty sure it's for me. So let's open this thing. Come on, you. That's better. Well, this tape will come up, so I had to cut it in a different way. That's more like it. Now let's see what's in the... Yes, yes. Oh my God. Hold on, yes. I just can't believe it. My own Craftycorn plushie and my DogDay plushie had just came in the mail just today. Oh my God. Thank you so much. I like the way they did it. Like, from the actual cartoon, from the actual tape video. Like, OMG. It's really awesome. Thank you so much, GH Store, for making these plushies. It looks so good.